Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The upcoming budget smartphone was previously spotted on the GSMA database, confirming its Galaxy A08 branding. Now, the new upcoming ultra-affordable mobile phone, Samsung Galaxy A08, has been spotted on Wi-Fi certification, and the official launch could be imminent, revealing new launch details. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung is preparing to launch several new Galaxy devices later this year, and among them are the Galaxy A08 and Galaxy A07s. As we move closer to their debut, both have now appeared on Samsung's internal test servers, suggesting that development is actively underway. Samsung's next affordable Galaxy A series smartphone appears to be one step closer to launch. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy A08 4G has been spotted on the Wi-Fi Alliance certification website, with the model number SMA085FDS, indicating that the device is nearing its official debut. While the Galaxy A08's specifications remain under wraps, its predecessor offers a good indication of what buyers can expect. Rumors suggest the Galaxy A08 key specs. It will features a 6.74-inch HD+ 120Hz display, MediaTek Helio G100 chipset, 50-megapixel dual rear cameras, an 8-megapixel front selfie camera, a 5000 mAh battery cell, with 25 watts fast charging speed, IP54 dust and splash resistance, and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. Samsung also promises 6 generations of Android OS upgrades, and 6 years of security updates, making it one of the strongest software support commitments in this budget segment. If the company manages to keep pricing close to the Galaxy A07's launch price, which is now available above $100, the Galaxy A08 could emerge as a compelling option for buyers seeking a dependable budget smartphone. The Galaxy A08 is expected to target the sub-$160 segment now, considering the recent rising prices, where it will compete with offerings from Redmi, Poco, Lava and Motorola. It is expected that the new Samsung Galaxy A08 will launch in August this year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.